Hi everyone. How are you? Welcome to the High Fitness by Weakness channel. Today I'm gonna show you 30 foods that are super healthy. So stay tuned guys, because in a moment, you will receive a quick dose of incredibly useful knowledge. It's easy to wonder which foods are healthiest. A vast number of foods are both healthy and tasty. By filling your plate with fruits, vegetables, quality protein, and other whole foods, you'll have meals that are colorful, versatile, and good for you. Here are 30 incredibly healthy foods. Most of them are surprisingly delicious. 1. Apples. Apples are high in fiber, vitamin C, and numerous antioxidants. They are very filling and make the perfect snack if you find yourself hungry between meals. 2. Avocados. Avocados are different than most fruits because they are loaded with healthy fats instead of carbs. Not only are they creamy and tasty but also high in fiber, potassium, and vitamin C. 3. Bananas. Bananas are among the world's best sources of potassium. They're also high in vitamin B6 and fiber, as well as convenient and portable. 4. Blueberries. Blueberries are not only delicious but also among the most powerful sources of antioxidants in the world. 5. Oranges. Oranges are well known for their vitamin C content. What's more, they're high in fiber and antioxidants. 6. Strawberries. Strawberries are highly nutritious and low in both carbs and calories. They are loaded with vitamin C, fiber, and manganese and are arguably among the most delicious foods in existence. 7. Eggs. Eggs are among the most nutritious foods on the planet. They were previously demonized for being high in cholesterol, but new studies show that they're perfectly safe and healthy. 8. Lean beef. Lean beef is among the best sources of protein in existence and loaded with highly bioavailable iron. Choosing the fatty cuts is fun if you're on a low-carb diet. 9. Chicken breasts. Chicken breast is low in fat and calories but extremely high in protein. It's a great source of many nutrients. 10. Almonds. Almonds are a popular nut loaded with vitamin E, antioxidants, magnesium, and fiber. Studies show that almonds can help you lose weight and improve metabolic health. 11. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are among the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. A single ounce, 28 grams, packs 11 grams of fiber in significant amounts of magnesium, manganese, calcium, and various other nutrients. 12. Coconuts. Coconuts are loaded with fiber and powerful fatty acids called medium-chain triglycerides. 13. Walnuts. Walnuts are highly nutritious and loaded with fiber and various vitamins and minerals. 14. Asparagus. Asparagus is a popular vegetable. It's low in both carbs and calories but loaded with vitamin K. 15. Bell peppers. Bell peppers come in several colors, including red, yellow, and green. They're crunchy and sweet, as well as a great source of antioxidants and vitamin C. 16. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that tastes great both raw and cooked. It's an excellent source of fiber and vitamin C and K and contains a decent amount of protein compared with other vegetables. 17. Carrots. Carrots are a popular root vegetable. They are extremely crunchy and loaded with nutrients like fiber and vitamin K. Carrots are also very high in carotene antioxidants, which have numerous benefits. 18. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a very versatile cruciferous vegetable. It can be used to make a multitude of healthy dishes, and also tastes good on its own. 19. Cucumber. Cucumbers are one of the world's most popular vegetables. They're very low in both carbs and calories, consisting mostly of water. However, they contain a number of nutrients in small amounts, including vitamin K. 20. Garlic. Garlic is incredibly healthy. It contains bioactive organosulfur compounds that have powerful biological effects, including improved immune function. 21. Kale. Kale has become increasingly popular because it's incredibly high in fiber, vitamin C and K, and a number of other nutrients. It adds a satisfying crunch to salads and other dishes. 22. Onions. Onions have a very strong flavor and are very popular in many recipes. They contain a number of bioactive compounds believed to have health benefits. 23. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are usually categorized as a vegetable, although they are technically a fruit. They are tasty and loaded with nutrients like potassium and vitamin C. 24. Salmon. Salmon is a type of oily fish that's incredibly popular due to its excellent taste and high amount of nutrients, including protein and omega-3 fatty acids. It also contains some vitamin D. 25. Shellfish. Shellfish ranks similarly to organ meats when it comes to nutrient density. Edible shellfish include clams, mollusks, and oysters. 26. Green beans. Green beans, also called string beans, are unripe varieties of the common bean. They are very popular in Western countries. 27. Cheese. Cheese is incredibly nutritious, as a single slice may offer about the same amount of nutrients as an entire cup, 240 milliliters, of milk. For many, it's also one of the most delicious foods you can eat. 28. Whole milk. Whole milk is very high in vitamins, minerals, quality animal protein, and healthy fats. What's more, it's one of the best dietary sources of calcium. 29. Yogurt. Yogurt is made from milk that's fermented by adding live bacteria to it. It has many of the same health effects as milk, but yogurt with live cultures has the added benefit of friendly probiotic bacteria. 30. Coconut oil. Coconut oil contains relatively high amounts of MCTs, may aid Alzheimer's disease, and has been shown to help you lose belly fat. Whether you want to overhaul your diet or simply change up your meals, it's easy to add a number of these foods to your routine. Many of the foods above not only make a great snack but are also packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Some of them may even aid weight loss. If you don't normally challenge your palate, don't be afraid of trying something new. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you are looking for something that can really help you lose weight, please check the link in description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to receive new powerful videos every single day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Have a great day and see you in the next video.